everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, you're highly welcome. So today I'm going to be doing some lovely eyebrow tutorial for you guys, and I hope you enjoy. So I'm going to start off by using the NYX HD finishing powder with this type of brush, by making sure I dab it on my eyebrow without even brushing it. This will allow me to be able to actually draw on and highlight my eyebrow without any greasiness underneath. It looks really nice at the end. And now I'm just going to use my brush by brushing my eyebrow upward, and then from there this will just help me to get rid of the HD finishing powder that I've added on my eyebrow, but at the same time all the grease will be gone. As you can see, this is how it looks like. And then I'm gonna use the brush to actually shape my eyebrow as well. So it just looks like this. And then this will be the guide that I actually use to draw my eyebrow as well. And then I'm gonna go in by using the Rimmel eyebrow pencil. This eyebrow pencil is so nice because look at the way I just sharpen it. It just gives you that control of your eyebrow. By doing this, I'm going to use my eyebrow pencil by making sure I just do light stroke. So we're not going to go in by pressing the eyebrow against our skin. We're going to do it very lightly so it just looks more natural. It blends in with our eyebrows even more and our skin as well. So I'm just following the shape of my eyebrow basically at the moment, just going around the parts. And after that, I'm just going to do the inside of my eyebrow, just using the light stroke as I said, just literally going slowly and taking my time as well by doing the inside of my eyebrow. As you can see, it still looks natural, so just take your time and do a really light stroke. You don't have to draw the whole inside of your eyebrow. And as you're coming toward the inner side of your eyebrow, do the strokes more separately. This will help you to have more of a natural looking eyebrow. Now I'm going to go in by using this type of eyebrow brush. So this is a really nice thin brush that gives me control to be able to highlight my eyebrow with eyeshadow. So I'm just using a eyeshadow that's very close to my skin tone. So if you could find an eyeshadow that looks more like your skin tone and just use it to highlight your eyebrow, or just give it that nice natural look. And then from there I just brush it all in to make it look more natural. Again, all about natural. We just want a natural looking eyebrow. That's all I'm aiming for. And now I'm going to go in with Born This Way concealer. I'm going to use a really thin eyebrow, and please use a very small concealer. You don't need to go all out. I used to always use loads of concealer, and I found that using just a small amount makes a big difference. It just makes your eyebrow look really nice and natural, and it just gives you that definition that you're looking for. So as you can see, I used a really thin line, literally just to go around my eyebrow at the bottom of my eyebrow to give it that definition that I'm looking for, and it just highlights my eyebrow really nicely. And then from there, I'm going to go in with another brush that is clean. I haven't used it before, so I can blend out the concealer that I've actually added without adding any more on top of it. So as you can see, this actually really helps you to be able to blend out the concealer that was already there, rather than adding more from the brush that you've used previously. And this is how it looks like at the end. It just looks so nice and natural. It doesn't look too much. And then for the top half of my eyebrow, I'm going to go in with a Fenty Beauty foundation. This one is the shade 440. I'm sure you'll find a shade that's better for you. So whatever foundation you're using, just use that one and just do the top half of your eyebrow. In the video, it looks a little bit light than my skin, but when it's blended in, it just blends in with my skin really well. And then I'm going to do the same thing for the top half again by using a clean brush to blend in the foundation that I've added at the top of my eyebrow. This helps me to not add any more foundation, and it helps me to blend it out in a really nice natural way. I'm going to go in again with a NYX HD finishing powder, and I'm going to use the same brush that I used previously and add this to the inner corner of my eyebrow, so this can give it more of a natural effect. And then from there I'll brush it out. I don't really leave it in for too long like that because I don't want my eyebrow to look unnatural. I want it to look natural, so I've added just a little bit and just leave it for a couple of minutes. So look at the difference in my eyebrow, guys. It just looks perfect. So now that I've done both of my eyebrows, I just wanted to show you guys one little trick that just makes everything fall together. So I have my eyebrow pencil, so all I wanted to do was do 3 little strokes just from here, and I saw a YouTuber doing this so before. I'll put her link below and you can see who I got the advice for. So 1, 2 and 3, and then you just brush it in. And to finish off, my favorite part of this. So the final step is to use my highlighter. So I love this part. It just makes your eyebrow look so nice. I'm going to put a really thin line underneath my eyebrow because I have hooded eyes. I want to enhance my eyebrow, but at the same time making sure it doesn't make my hooded eyes obvious. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and have a wonderful day.